For lesson 12.9, we are learning about the word halves. Our new vocabulary words are half of and halves, and this is building on from our previous lessons. We had talked about how the parts have to be equal or unequal, and for students to be able to understand halves, they must first understand that a shape itself is a whole, and if a whole has two equal parts, we would say that those parts are halves. So on the homework, we're going to circle all the shapes that show halves. That means they have equal parts, both of the parts. Finding all those. Number 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. They're all cut differently in half, but each one of those halves is equal. So two equal parts is halves. On the bottom of the homework, the problem solving, it says Kate cut a square into equal shares. She traces one of the parts. Write half of or halves to name the part. And we would say that's half of a square. On the back side of the homework, the first problem says which shows halves. That would be the first one because it's split into two equal parts. And on the spiral review, number 2 says which new shape can you make? So if you combine a cone and a cube, we would make B, the second one. And number 3, which shape has both flat and curved sides? That would be our cylinder. And number 4, how many triangles do you use to make a trapezoid? That would be 3 triangles. If your child needs to see that, drawing a trapezoid, then they would show that you would put 3 triangles in a trapezoid.